Hey everyone, this is Kevin, and in this quick tips video, we are going to update our contact poster in iOS 17. So the first thing we want to do is tap on phone, then tap on contacts. You can see my contact at the top. If I tap on my name, then we will see my contact poster along with my contact information. Next, you will click on contact photo and poster, and you can see the UI from here. If you hit edit, then you will be able to customize or create a brand new contact poster. And if we enter Apple, for example, hit return, then you will automatically see a category called produce. So let's add a few more. So kale, we'll do carrots. And let's do something different. So milk, eggs. And you can see that how each new item is categorized within its own section. So if we hit done, and we have our groceries list. In this video, you've already read the thumbnail, you saw the title, so we're just going to dive right in. In order to turn on private browsing in Safari, you want to open Safari, press and hold on the icon on the lower right hand corner, and then tap on New Private tab. This will open the private browsing window in Safari, and if we tap on any one of these icons here, let's say the Wall Street Journal, we want to unlock private browsing using biometrics, then you want to go to Settings, go to Safari, and scroll towards the bottom, and you will see the Privacy and Security section. And the third option here would be require Face ID to unlock private browsing. If you're using a Touch ID device, just replace Face ID with Touch ID. If you turn that on, and the next time you go to Safari, then Face ID on this phone is going to scan your face in order to open that private window. So with iOS 17, there is a new feature that allows Siri to read websites to you. So if we open Safari, and if we tap on the two A icons in our search bar, then we get a section that says listen to page. If you tap on that, then Siri is going to read the entire website to you.
Coming next year reportedly will still lag behind Airpods Pro features, lack H2 chip. Benjamin Mayo. The current AirPods Max headphones have not been revised since their introduction in December 2020, whereas AirPods Pro have seen multiple updates in hardware and software. Bloomberg has previously reported that Apple will update AirPods Max with USB-C and new color.
To show you how to block numbers using your iPhone. So let's say, for example, you get a text from an ex or someone you haven't met, but they have a hold of your number. The way you can block that number is tap on messages, tap on the number at the top, tap on info, scroll down, and then tap on block this caller. So if we tap on that, then we will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from the people on the block list. So if we hit block contact, from here we can unblock this caller. And if we want a list of all of the phone numbers that we've blocked, we can open settings, scroll down to phone, and then tap on blocked contacts. Here you can see the list of all of the contacts I've blocked. In order to reset your iPhone back to factory settings or to erase any other settings, tap on Settings, and then tap on General, scroll down, and under Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on that. Now you get a couple of options here. If you tap on reset, then you have a list of all of the individual settings you can reset on this iPhone. However, if you want to erase everything on this iPhone because maybe you are giving this iPhone to someone else or you're going to sell it, you can tap on erase all content and settings. And once you've confirmed that you want to do that, then all of the data on this iPhone will be erased. Cool thing that your iPhone can do is actually give you the names of dog breeds or plant types. So it's very similar to a Pokédex. So in order to use this feature, all you need is a screenshot and or a video. If we open photos, we have a photo of a plant I took about a month ago. And if we tap on the information icon, which is the second to last button on the bottom, then we can see what type of plant it is. And if we tap on the plant name, then we get some more information. If you have a picture of a dog, for example, just open that dog's photo, and you also want to tap on the information icon, and it would actually give you the breed, which in this picture it's correct. Sometimes it would give incorrect breeds, but in general I found this to be pretty accurate. This quick tip: introduced in iOS 17, users now have the ability to download maps for offline usage. So this is going to be really useful on road trips. So in order to do so, I'm going to open Maps, and let's just pick a random place. Well, let's pick this one here, and you want to press and hold so you can get the pin. And once you see the pin, you tap on download, and you can adjust the size of the map. And on the bottom of the screen, it will tell you how big this download will be. So I think this is okay. Hit download, and we can see the progress. And once it shows offline with a blue check mark, then you should be able to use this offline map in the event that your phone does not have any service. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and we are going to talk about precise iPhone location. So basically what that is it allows apps who have access to that information to accurately pinpoint where you are. It's really accurate to the point where you can actually see which building your iOS device is in. And if you want to turn that off, you want to tap on settings, scroll down to privacy and security, tap on location services, and you want to tap on an application that actually uses this data. So for example, we will select the Maps app, and at the bottom it says precise location, and this toggle is on. And if you turn it off, that will prevent the Maps app from using your precise location. Some apps actually require this, so you would have to adjust on an app by app basis in order to find out if there is any adverse experience to turning this off. I hope you found this useful. Remember to subscribe if you are new, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.